In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Chime to another bank account. Whether you're paying a bill, sending money to a friend, or just moving funds around for better management, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open the Chime app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. It's important to ensure your account is secure, so make sure you're in a safe environment when entering your login information. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home screen of the app. Next, look for the Move Money option. This handy feature is your gateway to all things related to transferring funds. Once you've found it, tap on Move Money and then select Transfer Money or Transfer from Other Banks. Both options will guide you to where you need to be, but for this purpose, make sure you tap on Transfer Money to start the process. Now, it's crucial to ensure that your Chime account is selected as the source of the funds. This means that the money will be deducted from your Chime balance. After confirming your Chime account is selected, you'll need to choose the bank account you want to send money to. You should have already linked the other bank account to your Chime profile. If you haven't done this yet, you'll need to set that up by providing the necessary bank details, which typically include the account and routing numbers. Once you've selected the correct bank account, it's time to enter the amount you want to transfer. Be precise here. Double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes, especially if you're dealing with a significant sum of money. After entering the amount, take a moment to review all the details carefully. This is your chance to ensure everything is correct before finalizing the transaction. Check that the sending and receiving accounts are accurate and that the amount is what you intended to send. When you're confident that all the details are correct, tap Confirm Transfer. This action will initiate the transfer process. Depending on your bank's policies, the funds might take a couple of business days to reflect in the other bank account, so keep that in mind if you're on a tight schedule. And that's it. Your money will now be sent from your Chime account to your other bank account. It's as simple as that. Remember, anytime you're moving money between accounts, it's a good practice to monitor both accounts to ensure the transaction occurs smoothly and to keep an eye out for any discrepancies. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy banking!